Tractor brands: John Deere is from United States. Massey is from Canada. New Holland is from Netherlands. Claas is from Germany. Kubota is from Japan. Mahindra is from India. Valtra is from Finland. Landini is from Italy. Zetor is from Czech Republic. MTZ is from Belarus. Ursus is from Poland. Dongfeng is from China. Kyoto is from South Korea. Steyr is from Austria. Hurlimann is from Switzerland. Universal is from Romania. IMT is from Serbia. Milat is from Pakistan. Puni is from Argentina. Agrail is from Brazil.